Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Bushcraft. We are out running around doing errands and whatnot as we are having a major windstorm. Doesn't look so bad over here, but you can feel it. I don't know if you guys can hear it through the vehicle, but I figured I'd take you around town and whatnot, see what's going on. The wind I've actually seen a roof fly off of a house already. That's how big the gust of wind are going in Ohio here. So sorry if this is a bit shaky and whatnot, but yeah, it's a bit windy. We've seen some down trees. We've seen a garage that looked like somebody squished it from the top, and a gust hit it so hard it kind of squished it. We've seen a lot of trampolines that have been flying in the air and destroyed. And that crunching noise is my son eating his candy. Again, sorry for the shakiness. I don't got them fancy stabilizers that keep your cameras from shaking or whatnot. I'm still one of them poor YouTubers that use their cell phone. And a bit earlier, the gust got so bad it ripped the visor, the shade visor off my window, driver's side window. Ripped it right off. Hopefully there is not too much damage. There are some places in town here that have lost power. Our lights were flickering, so hopefully when we get home we actually have power. And somebody needs to wake up and go because the light's green. And on top of it, I don't know if you can see in the distance there, but we are under a flood watch. A little bit more and we will be pretty much trapped in our town. We have just a little bit more before it goes over the bridges and stuff here. About right there, the sign had fallen down, and that was up with sandstone blocks. You see signs down all over the place here. Oh, something just flew across the road behind us. debris all over the roads. wants something flying across the view. I don't know if you guys caught that or not. Oh wow, that sign's gone. The loan signs are always up. They seem to never get tore down. And we'll head down this way and see if anything's out of place here. There in the distance, you may be able to see the church that got struck by lightning last year and pretty much burnt down except for the bricks. Most of the bricks. The brick front frame was all that was left. It's over there. Hopefully they didn't get any more damage. Got some tree branches in the road here. Shingles. Yeah, imagine a lot of people losing the shingles on their houses. Kind of curious where that roof came from that came across the road. Doesn't look like too much damage through here. The trash cans flying down the road. And we got the new firehouse. And we got, where are you guys at? Oh, there you are. Another emergency. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see all the stuff that's piled up against that fence over there. Side streets you see. Oh, looks like you got it cleared up pretty good though. One tree down. At least it didn't fall on a power line or anything around here. Down around here. Oh, there went another piece of roofing. Just flew across the road. Yeah, I think that's going to be the major thing is a lot of roofing and tiles are going to be flying. Another emergency vehicle. More crunching. We just started getting some buds on the trees. Pretty soon they'll be flowering up through downtown here. I'll go through this way and go ahead and end the video. I didn't see too much damage other than a few trees and debris from shingles and flying trash cans and whatnot. Kind of curious if oh yeah, there's debris from a roof right there. Make sure I don't run over no nails. A couple trees down over here in the courthouse square, and I think I will go ahead and leave it at that, guys, and hopefully we survive the Ohio winds. Until next time, God bless.